everyone, this is Gina. Today I'm going to open the Potomac Beads Bead Box XL. Now if you would like to subscribe to this particular subscription, you can use the coupon code Gina's Gems 10 and you will get 10% off your first subscription. So I will put a link, or not a link, but I'll put the information up here and I'll put a link in the description box beneath the video player. So let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's in it. Of course, it always comes in this nice little magnetic box, and it always comes with several patterns. So you get 3 patterns, and this first one, the piece of paper that comes in, is just kind of an introduction. It says, Bead My Valentine. Blushing pink and royal golds make your heart grow bold. Luscious pearls and soft satin beads put your creative mind at ease. This box will fill your spirit with love as loads of inspiration comes from above. Be mine this Valentine. Somebody's really quick poet over there. So anyway, everything that is inside the box is listed in this particular insert in your box, and the things that are in the patterns that are sent have an asterisk next to them, so you will know that they belong in the pattern. So we will get 1 love triangle pendant pattern, a Savannah sunset earrings pattern, and 1 brick road bracelet pattern in this box. So let's look at the patterns. This is the love triangle pattern. That's cute. That's a pendant. And as you can see, all of the materials that are needed for this pattern are listed here, and then all of the instructions are here. And then on the back it tells you about the artist, which is Allie. And you can just get some information about the company and so on and so forth. That is one of the patterns. The second pattern in this box is Savannah sunset earrings. Again, the materials needed listed. The pattern on the inside, nice graphics, and then the artist, which is again Allie. The brick road bracelet is another one. That's pretty. I like that. And again, all of the materials, the pattern, and the information on the artist. And this one is Anna. And not only in these boxes do you get the patterns, in the XL and in the regular box you get some extra things to go along with it too. So you get the trendy beads, the 2-hole beads, different beads from around the world, all kinds of stuff. In the XL you get 3 patterns and you get a bunch of extra stuff. You get everything that comes in the regular box plus more. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and I'm going to lay it out. Each bag is labeled with what it is, so I don't necessarily have to go by the list on the inside to show you what's in here. And I'm going to take all of this out of here and give you a glimpse at how much is in here, and then we'll go through each item. There's quite a bit in this one. Okay, so set that aside, and this is what's in this box. So I'm just going to kind of arrange it neatly, and then I'll be back and show you what each package is. So I just kind of laid them out into little categories in my own little mind, what makes sense to me. And we're just going to start going through them and seeing what's inside each bag. Now, right away we have 2 tassels. And remember, a lot of these things go with the patterns, but I'm just going to open them and show you what individually is in each package. And these are 2 little tassels, 2 little red tassels with a little jump ring on the top here so that you can attach them to something. And those are really cute. I like tassels. So that is our first bag. Our second one has some wire guardians in them, and most everyone knows what wire guardians are. These are really nice to use at the ends of your project, and it's probably part of one of the patterns that are inside the box. And there's 4 wire guardians in a golden color. And then there's a metal heart bead. This is kind of cool because it's horizontal. The hole is in it, and that's nice because usually if you want to string a heart, you have to string it this way, so you have to come down through it and then fringe back up through or something like that. Whereas this one has a horizontal hole, and you could put it as a focal right in the middle of a necklace. I like that. That's pretty cool. Let's get you close so you can see what it looks like. It's really cute. And I said this is metal heart bead. And then we have 2 key charms. They're really pretty. Let's look at them. If I can get my fingers to work, we'll look at them. And that's what those look like. Really pretty. I like that. So you could make the key to my heart type of little necklaces to share. And then this one is a pewter heart toggle, and it really has some character to it. I really like it. It's really cute because we have the little arrow as the toggle. That's really cute. And I love toggles. I like to get different types. I like little fancy toggles. They really add something to a piece. And then here we have a pewter bird link. It says it looks more like a pendant to me, but let's see. I guess it is a link because it has 2 holes on either side. So you could use this as a focal on a bracelet or something. Let me back off a little. Like this. Yeah, that would be pretty. Leather on either side, or just even stringing through it. You could even do it as part of a bead weaving project. You could make like knitted rope on either side and attach it. That's cute. Then we have the halo beads. These you can put over an existing bead or a round bead. So they have the holes on the side. So you can string through it and then string through your bead and string through the other side of the halo bead. Then we have 3 packages of Miyuki seed beads. These more than likely go with the patterns. We have a 15-0, and it looks like it's kind of a sunset color. It's really pretty. And then we have another 11-0 that is silver lined or gray with a lining in it. It's a lined bead, and it's Delica. And then we have Miyuki silver lined crystal. And this is a 15-0. Those are nice seed beads. And those are pretty colors. And then we have some storm duos, which is always nice to get some of the little 2-hole beads. And these are in like a pink blush color. These are really pretty. So the storm duo is kind of a curved shape with 2 holes. And then we have some Ava beads, ABA beads, Ava. I don't know what they're actually called, but it's the 2-hole V or A shape bead. And these are fun to play with. I have some of these, and I have done a couple things with them. I like them. And then some round trio. So these are the round beads with 3 holes in them instead of 2. And this is Aztec gold. And we'll look at those so you can see what they look like. And those are round trios. And if you didn't want to use the patterns, of course you could make it some kind of really cute pendant or a pair of earrings or something with these beads. The double beads go nice together, like the tiles and the trios or duos or whatever. You can make them go nice together. And then we have some check 2-hole tile. These are all, the colors all go nicely together, so you could get creative on your own. And that's what the tiles look like. A really pretty pink blush color also. Staying with the Valentine's theme here. And then we have round duos. This is the round, and this is white lava red. White lava red, okay. And the duos have 2 holes in them. Oops. That was coordinated. Okay. And so there's a lot of really fun stuff to play with in this box. I always like getting this box because there's all kinds of different stuff to play with. This is a Czech bicone, 6mm. It's an opaque glass, Czech glass, bicone shape. That's kind of different and pretty. And then we have tri-beads. So this is a triangle, and it has 1 hole in it, in the center. And that's what these look like. And I just threw them all over my bead mat. Let's see if I can actually not make a mess here. And then we have gold-plated post earrings, and these are little hearts. These are cute. So you can dangle, you can wear them just like that if you want, but right underneath here it has a loop so you could dangle something from them, make them really pretty. And they, again, may be part of the patterns. I haven't looked closely enough, but you could get creative with those and make something really cute with those. And then there's a floral cabochon, 18 by 25mm. And let me get this out so you can see what it looks like. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty. And then we have some rose quartz faceted 4mm round. Nice little gemstone. Love quartz, rose quartz, citrine, amethyst, clear quartz. Doesn't matter. Quartz are my favorite. Those are cute. And again, I've thrown them all over the place. And then we have some cute little 6mm Czech hearts. These are a little bit bolder pink. Those are really cute. That would be cute to make a dangle with on those little heart earrings. That would be cute. Okay. Then we have some, I don't know what the name of the bead is, but it's white red luster. I could look it up, but let's just look at them. Kind of a drop bead. Oh, these are really cute. Those are cute. They're kind of spiky. That's probably what it means, spike something. A little too abbreviated. But those are cute little spikes. Czech drops. 4 by 6mm. It's always nice to have some drops to do some fringing with. These look like amethyst. They're really cute. Adorable. So many little things to play with. Got to show you guys some of the stuff I've made. I haven't had a chance to do that. And this is Potomac Company's square donut crystal. That's pretty. And then we have some Czech bellflowers, and these are big, really nice, pretty ones. They look like porcelain. I like that look. That's one of my favorite in beads, is to get kind of a porcelain look. And I love these big bellflowers. These are so cool. Those are really neat. I love that. And then we have some Potomac Company disco balls. So these are also crystal, and they're smoky topaz. I think they're AB. Look at that. That's a pretty sparkle. Those are nice. I like those. The disco ball faceting always catches the light really well. Those are pretty. And then we have Czech faceted round 6mm. And these are kind of a peachy, pinky color. These are pretty. I like the check fire polish faceted rounds. I think they're pretty. And then we have some dome beads, 10 by 6 millimeter. I haven't really messed with dome beads much. They would be kind of pretty in a weave. And these have a really neat kind of electroplated look. They're kind of metallic-y. Let's see. Those are really pretty. I like those. So let me get them back in the bag here. And then we have some check table cut bicones. These are cool. These look really vintage. I like some of the check vintage looks. They're just really neat. Those are pretty. I like that. That's very nice. And then we have some lampwork beads. These are just kind of polka dotted beads. These are pretty. A lot of lampwork don't really appeal to me, but these are pretty. I like these. That's really pretty. They have like a little swirl on the sides. I like those. And they feel nice too. And then we have 2 pearl cabochons. Let's look at these. Those are pretty. Could make some pretty embroidery with those. And that, my dear friends, is what is in the Potomac Best Bead Box XL this month. And let me just kind of line things up so that you can see again what they all look like. Oh, lost a little bead. I'm going to have to put that back. But there's quite a bit of stuff in here. And I like that you get some of the specialty beads to play with, because a lot of times you don't want to get some and then not know what you want to do with it. Sometimes you want to just try something out. And this helps you do that. Plus the fact that you actually get some patterns that you can use them with is really nice. So you don't have to get a specialty bead and then wonder what you're going to make with it, because that's already provided for you. So, I'm not doing a really neat job here, but this is what is in the Potomac bead box for this month. It is the Best Bead Box, and this is the XL. So I will put some links in the description box below. I will also put how much they cost, and I will put the coupon code that you can use to get 10% off your first subscription. So anyway, this is what's in it, and I hope you enjoyed looking at all these pretty beads. And here's our patterns, and maybe you will consider getting one. Bye-bye.